Old tools carry stories of hard work and human hands. When thoughtfully repurposed, they become decor with soul far more meaningful than mass-produced items. This video explores how hammers, wrenches, saws, gears, clamps, and forgotten workshop scraps can be reborn as wall art, statement lighting, shelves, planters, coat racks, candle holders, and sculptural accents that fit beautifully into rustic, industrial, farmhouse, and even minimalist interiors. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Décor, where forgotten materials find new life and creativity turns into opportunity. If you love smart DIY ideas, sustainable living, and decor that actually sells, make sure you subscribe now and become part of our growing community of makers and dreamers. Today's video, Tools Reborn, Profitable Upcycled Home Decor Ideas from Old Tools, is all about transforming rusted, worn, and abandoned tools into stunning decor pieces that blend history, craftsmanship, and modern style. We begin by focusing on the creative mindset, because profitable upcycling starts with imagination, not expensive equipment. Learning to see potential instead of waste is the foundation of every successful project. You'll learn how to evaluate old tools for safety and structural strength, how to clean them properly, and how to preserve their authentic patina without removing the character that makes them special. If you're enjoying these ideas so far and love creative ways to turn scrap into style, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Décor. Your support helps us keep sharing practical, profitable upcycling inspiration every week. Design balance plays a major role in creating high-value decor. We discuss how to combine metal tools with reclaimed wood, concrete, or glass to create harmony between rough textures and refined finishes. This balance helps each piece feel intentional and high-end rather than improvised or unfinished. Functionality is another key theme throughout this video. Decor that serves a purpose such as lighting, storage, or organization naturally attracts more buyers and commands higher prices. You'll see how everyday tools can be transformed into functional decor pieces. That are both practical and visually striking. Scale and proportion are also explored in detail. Smaller hand tools can become intricate accent pieces, while larger equipment can be transformed into bold focal decor that anchors a room. Understanding how size impacts visual appeal helps you design pieces that feel balanced and professionally crafted. For viewers interested in selling their creations, we dive into current decor trends, including the growing demand for sustainable products, handcrafted authenticity, and storytelling-driven design. Customers are drawn to decor with a story, and upcycled tools offer a powerful narrative that connects emotionally with buyers. If you're thinking about starting a small upcycling business or upgrading your DIY skills, subscribe to Kuki Décor and turn on notifications. So you don't miss upcoming videos on pricing, design trends, and selling handmade decor successfully. We also cover realistic pricing strategies by considering materials, time, and perceived value. Thoughtful finishing touches such as protective coatings, sturdy mounting, and refined details can dramatically increase market appeal and customer trust. Presentation matters just as much as craftsmanship. You'll learn simple styling and photography tips, including the use of neutral backgrounds, natural lighting, and minimal props to showcase your work effectively for online shops, social media, and local craft markets. Beyond profit, this journey is about purpose. Upcycling old tools reduce waste, honors traditional craftsmanship, and support mindful consumption in a fast-paced world. It's a creative process that benefits both the environment and your personal growth. Beginners are encouraged to start small, experimenting with simple projects before moving on to more complex designs. This approach makes upcycling accessible whether you're working from a home workshop, a small creative corner, or even a shared space. Each idea shared in this video is rooted in practicality, creativity, and sustainability. Over time, these principles help you build confidence and develop a recognizable style that sets your work apart in a competitive decor market. As the video unfolds, you'll see how combining creativity with intention turns ordinary scrap into decor that sparks conversation and admiration. Profitable design doesn't require perfection, only vision, care, and consistency. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to look at old tools in a completely new way, equipped with ideas that can enhance your home or open doors to a rewarding side business rooted in eco-friendly values. Thank you for spending this creative time with Kuki Décor. If this video inspired you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who loves DIY and sustainable design. Every subscription helps us continue turning forgotten materials into meaningful, profitable decor.